Ang pag-ibig, gusto nating maging perfect. Kailangan natin ng pag-ibig ng buong-buo.
Nakakaya naman pinaghirapan mong balutin eh.
Kaya lang, we don't always get what we want.
Puto, ano to?
Doing what we can do in life.
Sometimes, we find love in the most unexpected places.
Ano to?
Anong habol mo kay Vince?
Ay putang.
But we can still find a second chance at love.
Pinagyan mo.
Ha?
Gusto mo ako tayo hug?
No.
Okay. Good lang.
First and much awaited drama. Abangan